Imagine this. You've spent countless hours crafting the perfect resume, reworking your cover letter until it's flawless, and scouring job boards looking for opportunities. You finally find a position that seems tailor-made for you. You hit submit, and then nothing. Or worse, a rejection. It's like pouring your heart into a message in a bottle only for it to vanish into the vast ocean, never to be seen again. You start to wonder, is it me? Am I not good enough? But what if I told you something shocking? It might not be you at all. It might be the system. The job application process is a maze, and strangely enough, it's designed not just to find candidates, but also to filter you out. Right now, you're caught in this cycle, and it feels like quicksand. The more you struggle to get out, the deeper you feel stuck. It's madness, isn't it? Every time you face silence or the dreaded rejection, it cuts into your confidence, chips away at your self-worth, and that hurts. It feels personal. But here's the truth bomb. It's not. This process is designed by corporations trying to handle the overwhelming number of applications. They're using Applicant Tracking Systems, ATS, algorithms, and standardized processes to do the job. These aren't designed to see your unique qualities, your drive, your potential. They're programmed to search for keywords, experience, and education, a checklist that often misses the true essence of who you are. And that hurts. That's the secret frustration so many face, the elephant in the room that job hunters seldom talk about. But what if you could hack this system? What if you could turn the tables and make sure your application not only survives the initial cut, but stands out? Take a deep breath here because it's possible. You're not powerless. You're not a cog in the machine. You're so much more. And it's time to show it. First, let's crack the code of the ATS. These systems scan for keywords, so use this to your advantage. Look at the job description like a treasure map. The clues are there. Mirror the language in your resume. If they want a self-starter, you're a self-starter. If they seek project management experience, make sure that phrase appears in your application. Tailor every application with laser precision. It's a game of match and conquer. Next up, network like never before. This isn't just about following someone on LinkedIn or liking a post. It's about genuine connections. Reach out to people in the organization you're targeting. Show interest in what they do. Ask thoughtful questions. Most importantly, be authentic. You're forging bonds, not transactions. This works wonders. People hire people, not resumes. But let's get real for a second. The emotional roller coaster is tough, isn't it? Rejection after rejection. It's draining. Acknowledge it. Feel it. But don't let it define you. You're allowed to feel frustrated, but never defeated. Each no is a step closer to a yes. Keep your support system close. Talk to friends, mentors, anyone who uplifts you. Now, while we're discussing emotions, let's leverage them. During interviews, don't just answer questions. Tell stories. Stories sell. They showcase your personality, your ability to problem solve, overcome adversity, and most importantly, your human side. Employers want to know you, beyond skills and experience. They want to know how you think, react, relate. Make them feel your passion, your drive. And here's a twist you didn't see coming. Challenge the status quo. If you spot gaps in the market, needs unfulfilled by current companies, why not create your role? Approaches like this set you apart. Illustrate your proactive mindset. You're not just looking for a job, you're looking to make an impact. You're already a warrior in this job-seeking battlefield. You're resilient, determined, and courageous. Embrace the journey with all its crazy twists and turns, because it shapes you. This isn't just about landing a job. It's about growing into who you are meant to be, professionally and personally. Finally, remember, you're not alone. This frustration, this shared struggle, it's part of the human experience. We all feel it, and that connects us. Use this connection. Support others, share insights, lift each other, because when one of us succeeds, we all do. This journey is hard, yes, but you are tougher, smarter, and so much more capable than you know. You've got this because you are an unstoppable force. You're not just applying for jobs. You're rewriting narratives and making paths where there were none. That's your power. Embrace it. Keep pushing. Keep believing. Keep growing. The right opportunity is out there, waiting for you to claim it. And you will.